Alrighty, we are in the den, and as you can tell, this is some very nice furniture. All nice and fluffy. And this house is, again, beautiful, well-made furniture.
It is.
And you've got the end tables that match the coffee table. These beautiful lamps here with the iron on there. I love that. How they come down in a point like a vase.
Really nice.
We got the wall sconces. And this table right here, you can use this as a supper table.
Oh, yeah. That's really nice.
And while we're thinking about it, I know I didn't plan on this, but we need to show this. This beautiful table right here with these huge line paw feet.
Oh, yeah.
And this is the city of Thomaston. Right here, you've got the courthouse. You've got the Cover Bridge. And that's the Ritz Theater. And there is R.A. Lee. So if you love these, and they're hard to find now, I understand. So you need to come to those. And the Christmas tree. We know it's after Christmas, but this is a beautiful Christmas tree. And show them a shot of this picture right here.
Oh, yeah.
I love that. You got the parrots in there.
That's nice.
And of course the table. And one of my favorites, I really like this chair.
Oh, yeah. You have your ottoman, which Kelly's got her feet propped up.
Yeah, which I should not have my feet on the furniture. We're going to make a little trip outside.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's worth it. So, trying to get my hat on. Well, I might just have to do it out. There we go. Here we go. You've got some nice outdoor furniture. A table and 4 chairs down there. It's high, kind of a bar type.
Yeah.
This right here.
Oh, yeah.
And you also have this truck down here. We can sell this truck. It's a $19.99, 3,500 work truck, Chevrolet.
Which is nice.
You want to take a little walk down to the lake? All right. We won't go all the way down there. It is raining, but loving this set right here.
It's nice there.
The Clemens had a lot of Georgia parties, as you said. This is the dog pound. Instead of
D-A-W-G.
That's right. And wow, what a view. How nice is this? I haven't been down here yet. But this set is great right here. Heavy duty. I would imagine these are very comfortable, long lasting. So if you want outdoor furniture, you can come to the right place. You need to come. And oh, look at the lake, Ruth.
Oh, yeah. I walked down here yesterday. Pretty
I
neat.
think that's actually a swimming lake. I think that's a swimming hole. Get a shot of that lake.
Oh, my.
I think it's got a sand bottom in it. It does.
Oh, my God.
Now that is cool.
Nice lake.
That's what I'm talking about, a swimming hole.
Yeah.
Y'all come on and let's go swimming. Hope to see you at the sale.